Egis Mobile Electric's MT-12 sealed connectorized marine fuse and circuit breaker block is an industry first. With standard integrated Deutsch power connectors, this innovative solution creates highly reliable marine electrical systems that significantly reduce assembly failures associated with traditional screw terminations during and after boat production. The MT-12 block is fully sealed, ensuring maximum protection against harsh environments by keeping your electrical system safe from moisture, salt, and corrosion. It features two DT and two DTP6 connectors, each keyed to eliminate assembly error. Each connector's pins are evenly split for positive outputs and negative return circuits. This foolproof design provides a perfect final assembly every time, ensuring sealed low amperage connections for long-term reliability and operation. The MT-12 block contains 12 circuits that can flexibly support a combination of ATM fuses or ATM Type 3 breakers, also offering 4 spare fuse locations. Power input to the device is located on one of 2 studs near the circuit protection compartment, which are designed to easily connect via bus bars from relays or expand to other fuse blocks. The high-amp ground bus bar under a protective cover supports many cables, including a return cable to battery negative. The high ampere power and ground terminals are available with M6 or M8 stud sizes that can be customized individually to greatly assist assembly error reduction. The power terminals allow for simple and robust expandability, and in 3 split input product variations, they are isolated and independently feed 3, 6, or 9 fuses or breakers. This flexibility provides maximum utilization of the power distribution components while meeting the unique needs of each vessel. The MT-12 block is compatible with all existing and future Egis Mobile Electric power management system components, including XD relays and high ampere fuse blocks, allowing for simple bus bar connectivity to easily construct a wide variety of solutions. The Egis Mobile Electric MT-12 sealed fuse and circuit breaker block delivers maximum reliability and flexibility. Its innovative features ensure rapid and foolproof assembly of well-engineered electrical solutions for high reliability in harsh marine conditions.